Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, we have the REDTIGER dash camera. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. That means you can capture all the details from road signs to license plates in stunning clarity. Plus, it has a wide-angle lens of 170 degrees in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The REDTIGER dash cam features an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers. Combined with HDR, WDR technology, it captures important details even in low light conditions. Let's move on to connectivity options. The REDTIGER dash cam offers Wi-Fi and smart app control. Simply connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage your dash cam. You can even download and edit videos directly from the app. Sharing your travel adventures has never been easier. Now let's talk about GPS functionality. The REDTIGER dash cam comes equipped with a built-in GPS that records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can track your journeys on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with the Windows and Mac GPS player. This feature provides additional evidence in case of any accidents. Last but not least, let's dive into the additional features these dash cams bring to the table. The REDTIGER dash cam has a loop recording feature that allows it to continue recording even when the memory card is full. Plus, it has a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function to ensure your car is protected even when you're away. Just remember, you'll need a hardware kit for the parking monitor. The REDTIGER dash cam is praised for its cutting-edge technology, exceptional video quality, user-friendly interface, and advanced features like intelligent parking mode. The REDTIGER dash camera is highly recommended for its excellent picture quality, including night vision, easy installation, and additional safety features like monitoring while parked. And there you have it, folks. The REDTIGER dash cam and the REDTIGER dash camera battling it out for the title of the ultimate dash cam. Remember, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that suits your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more product comparisons that will help you buy smart. And as always, leave your comments and suggestions down below. Until next time, stay safe on the roads and happy shopping.